And I've got good news for you mga kaibigan because the Royal Premium Plus program has given you 18 ways of earnings and incentives. Take note ulitin ko, 18 ways of earnings and incentives. So number 1, let's talk about the retailing program. Pag sinabing retailing program mga kaibigan, you being a distributor of Royal, you can get the products in our offices or whether in our branches at a discounted price. At pagkatapos, ibebenta nyo na sila sa labas ng SRP. So with that alone, meron na kayong tinatawag na retail profit. The number 2 income is what we call the direct referral income. Ano ba itong direct referral income? Ibig sabihin, every time you get to sell a bronze package, you will get a commission of 1,000 pesos. And the best part, you can sell to as many people as you like. The more bronze you sell, the more 1,000 pesos you get. The number 3 income is the package match bonus. You have to establish 2 sets of group. Group A, Group B. And every time this Group A and Group B ay bumibili po ng mga bronze packages pababa, every time may bronze package sa kaliwa, at every time may bronze package sa kanan, magmamatch po yun. At pag nag-match po yun, may added income kayong 1,000 pesos. At can you imagine how many 1,000 pesos you will earn? And the best part, yung pinag-usapan natin a while ago was only the package pairing. This time, product pairing naman. You heard me right. All our Korean products, automatic lahat yun, magpe-pair yun. So every time your Group A uses a product and Group B uses a product, magmamatch din yun. And the company will still give you additional bonus. And now, for the next income, we call it the unilevel income. Ano ba itong unilevel income? Mga kaibigan, ang unilevel income, ibig sabihin, may kikitain ka pang 5% sa lahat ng taong bumibili ng products within your organization. Isn't that exciting mga kaibigan? But guess what? There's more. Because with Royal mga kaibigan, with this Premium Plus program, meron din tayong mga 3 klaseng incentives. Number 1, we have the luxury shopping incentives. Number 2, we have the travel incentives. At number 3, we also have the car incentives. So now mga kaibigan, with all the incomes na makukuha nyo kay Royal and also the incentives, you think you got it all? Not yet. Because now, I'm going to present to you the ZAM Realty. Ano ba yung ZAM Realty mga kaibigan? It is a real estate company na sister company po ng Royal owned by the Castañeda family. And this property is located less than an hour away from Subic. Isn't that exciting guys? And with this mga kaibigan, being a Royalista, you now have the chance to own a property of your own and at the same time, sell this real estate. Ang kinagandahan nito mga kaibigan, with this mga kaibigan, every time you get to sell the property, may commission ka ng cash and at the same time, may commission ka pang packages from Royal. Isn't that exciting? Royal is like a one-stop shop for your health, wellness, beauty, and at the same time, property. A house for every Filipino. So mga kaibigan, with all the things that you've heard, are you not excited? Are you not more ecstatic to join this wonderful company, Royal? So if I were you mga kaibigan, remember this always. A journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step. So take the step 1, move forward, and together, let us achieve our dreams through the power of Royal. To God be the glory, guys.